Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are outside. We came outside to buy something. So we are at the car park now. So my husband went to buy something. Then we head to where we're going. We came to buy shoes for the kids, yeah. But I'm at the car park now. Let me show you guys where I am. So this is where we are. It's a huge car park. We are inside the church. We came to pee. Hey, this church is too big. Anglican church. Oh. Our church. My church. As an
Guys.
oh my God.
I'm still Uncle Shoe.
Hi guys, so we are back from the market. Let's do some unboxing. Yeah. Unboxing time. Yeah, so let me show you what we got from the market.
On the market.
We first went to OK shop and everything is cost. Imagine OK shoe very costly, more than already made. So let's do some unboxing. The first bag.
And there's my shoes.
This is OK shoe. Okay, I got it for my first daughter.
Where's my own shoes?
Wait. Ha, voila. And this one too. Very strong. Okay. Another one. Okay, the okay I've finished. Okay, this is my husband's phone. This is for my husband. Hey, this one is so fine. It's for your daddy.
For my daddy?
Yeah. And this too for my husband.
This is for Uncle.
Very strong shoe.
Very strong shoes.
Yeah. And this one for my first daughter.
It's me here.
Okay, done and dusted. Let's get into the ready-made. Who has this one?
Malala.
Are you sure?
Malala.
Wow, this is for Kosi, sir.
Yay!
Come and show your face. For my second daughter.
My second. I'm here.
Already made.
I'm here. My own too. My own.
Another one for her.
Malala.
Everybody got two, only me.
Malala.
Is it Manela? Manela, see your shoe. See Manela's shoe. Our last baby. Last one of the house. See her shoe here. Come and say hi to them. Come and say hi.
Hi.
I say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. I have my own.
Okay. The next one.
Let me too. My own too.
Focus is such a cool.
Yay.
Two shoes for everybody except me.
And my own.
They didn't buy for me.
No.
Hey.
And my not buy for you. Don't know what to pick.
Yes. Who has this one? Manela. This is for Manela. Hey, this shoe is so fine. I like this one.
I like this one too much. This one
I
is a
see
good
it.
one.
Okay, the shoes that are done and dusted.
And then my
I
own.
also got things that I used to cook. Okra. Let me show you Pakistan okra. Very tiny. Not like Nigerian own. Let me show you guys. Pakistan okra. Can you see? I'm gonna use it to cook. Yes.
My baby can this one.
Finished. Lemon. I got lemon for our weight loss.
When we got onion.
Hey. Okay, we are done here. Wait, let's set this thing. Okay, guys, this is all we got. All the shoes we got from the market today. My last baby own.
And my
My second daughter own.
and
My third daughter's own. Then my husband's own.
daddy own.
Yeah, daddy. I didn't buy for myself.
No. Because she doesn't know.
This is the okra
No,
that I'll be using. Okporoko, stockfish, any other thing. Finish. At the end of this video, everywhere is scattered. Let me start to arrange. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. In case this is your first time, I'm still your girl. I am still your girl, Chisom Udezo, a mom of 3 beautiful daughters, based in Pakistan. Yes, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video. Mwah.
Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money.